And as we approach hurricane season, Houston Congresswoman Lizzie Fletcher is talking with forecasters about the layoffs that cut half the staff at the National Weather Service location here in Houston. Now, experts are worried that the cuts could lead to less accurate forecasting when people need it the most.
This year, because we have fewer people and a higher probability of not being able to collect the data, what will happen, I believe, is that we will see degraded quality of forecasts. They will most likely still be delivered on time, but the error bar, the cone of uncertainty, and the track forecast and the intensity forecast are apt to be larger.
But don't be worried. Emergency officials in Harris County say they are committed to ensuring timely warnings and alerts, and that they've been in contact with other offices to bring in additional staff if needed.